Welcome to Cooking and Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make a cheesy chicken taco rice. We're going to start with cubing up 1 pound of chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. To a large skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then that chicken breast that we cut up. We're also going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to cook this until the chicken is done. While that cooks, we're going to chop up cilantro for garnish. Yes, it's fine to leave the stems in. And I know, that's a lot of cilantro. Yes, I know it's a lot of cilantro, but what can I say? We love cilantro here in my house. So, none of that's going to go to waste. And now we're going to add in 1 cup of rice that we have rinsed, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 10-ounce can of Rotel, and 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Stir that together. We're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to reduce heat to simmer. As soon as it starts simmering, we're going to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's starting to boil. We're going to reduce heat to low. We're going to cover. And we're going to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now if it's done, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to uncover it long enough to add 2 cups of Kobe Jack cheese to the top of it. Now if the cheese is melted, there ain't nothing left to do but to eat. I'm going to spoon some out onto a plate. We're going to add some cilantro. A dollop of sour cream. and some Southwest Ranch. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's really good. It feeds 6 people and we've made it for just under $21. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.